Hi, this is Sarah Mikesell with the Pig Site, and today we're here with Jenae Cummings. She is the North America Sales Manager for Dol Sensors. Thanks for being with us today, Jenae.
Yeah, thanks, Sarah. I appreciate the opportunity to visit with you, and it's been a great show, World Pork so far, so appreciate the opportunity.
Very good. Tell us a little bit about Dol Sensors to start with.
Yeah, so Dol Sensors is a company that we supply a lot of new technologies. So sensors that go into hog facilities, poultry facilities, agriculture facilities in general. We supply some of the best in the industry from a quality standpoint. So Dol was actually created many years ago from creating livestock or knowing that they were going to go into agriculture facilities. So they're extremely robust from a quality standpoint, which is something that's unique to sensors. A lot of sensors are infiltrated in from other industries. So that is one of our positive selling points is and quality points is that it was made directly for agriculture facilities to withstand the harsh environments that they do withstand.
Very good. And tell us about some of the sensors.
Yeah, so we've got numerous sensors. So our climate sensors are everything from CO2 to ammonia, temperature, humidity, anything climate related. We've also got light sensors, and then we also have capacitive sensors for feed systems, anything that needs to detect feed bins, etc. So basically fits into any swine facility in the U.S., and we actually can go into numerous different control systems. So the sensors are very robust in terms of the variation of what controllers that they can hook up to.
Great. Very good. And what does sensors really mean for a producer? Kind of bottom line, how are they used, and how do they, what makes them important on the farm?
Yeah, so this day and age, automation is key, right? So we want everything to know what's happening right then and there. We want the environment to be perfect for the swine, whether it be sows, nurseries, finishers, whatever stage of growing. And so automation is critical for producers. And so I myself worked in live production for 11 years. And so when I joined Dol, it was critical for myself to know that it was an extremely high quality product. Just because I dealt with sensors, and if they fail on you, you lose money, you lose time, etc. And so for the producer, they're absolutely critical to control your environment as well as keep feed in front of them to optimize your product and minimize your costs, right? So that's the sensors that we provide definitely offer that. One of our best top selling sensors is our Dol 53, which is an ammonia sensor, and it's been rated by numerous people as one that you just really can't beat. And so obviously for producers, ammonia is critical to their production, and so keeping those levels at an acceptable rate where growth rates will excel is very important. And so and we provide that. We have those quality products that have minimal fails. I'm not going to say we're 100% perfect because nobody is, right? But we have very minimal fails from a quality standpoint.
Very good. Well, thanks so much for all the information today, Jenae.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it. And for those, I know a lot of people ask, how do we get Dol Sensors? Yeah. So we actually work through OEMs and distribution channels. And so if folks like the end users, the producers actually are trying to get a hold of the product, FAR Solutions is a great distributor for us that we partnered with. QC Supply also. We have several others based in Canada and all over the U.S. So we're based out of Denmark is where our manufacturing facility, which we manufacture all of our own sensors as well. So if you have questions, please visit our website. Lots of information there to find what you need.
Very good. Well, thanks again.
Yes, I appreciate it, and I hope you have a great rest of your show.
Thank you. This is Sarah Mikesell with the Pig Site.